All right, YouTube, I'm going to try to use this alone time to do some tuning on the X2. I'm going to hold it wide open, verify that it actually is running rich. I'm going to do a proper plug color check on this and yeah, basically ensure that it's rich before I start leaning it out. But I'm going to spend some time here and try to get this tuned right. Yeah, way too rich. All right, I have my screwdriver thing here. I don't know how it seemed to be working halfway decent when I was on the water. Man, it smells like fish. It smells like a marina. Let's try to tune the low speed. The reed valves seem like they're leaking. Yeah, I just had the engine apart not too long ago and they had a bit of an issue, but I thought I had sorted it out. Unfortunately, I'm not sure what it's doing down low. I turned the low speed screw in all the way, and yeah, it doesn't seem to make a whole lot of difference. Half a turn has been working fairly good for me down low, so I'm gonna go half a turn and then I'm gonna try to adjust the top. You guys see what I mean by weird to tune now? Started off sounding real good and then all of a sudden it was like hiccup, hiccup, and then sounded super rich. So I don't know if I got a leaky head gasket again. Check the plug color. I'm gonna give it another plug run. I'll check that front plug color again and see what it says. Go a bit leaner by the look of that. What a miserable thing this is to tune. Like, it's been working fairly decent for the last few rides, and now just all of a sudden it's decided it wants to start doing that same thing again. Might be reed valves sticking part way open, don't know. Not the strangest thing you've ever seen. Normally they work okay on the hose, okay when you just set them on the trailer, but then you take it out and it works like crap. This is the complete opposite. Works like crap when I'm trying to tune it. I haven't changed anything. I take it out on the water and possibly working better than it's ever worked. Okay, I'm in the water. I don't like this water as much as... Uh-oh. Alright, so I'm having an idle problem. Uh-oh. Let's see. Idiot. Okay, I'm getting there pretty full water apparently. Doesn't make any sense really, because I leaned it out about a quarter of a turn on the low speed, and now it's acting like it's too rich on the low speed. So I had to hold the throttle to get it running and turn it on its side to unload the pump basically, and yeah, then it fired up, but it doesn't want to idle or fire up. Seems like it's... I don't like a mouthful out of that water. Seems like it's rich down low, but I leaned it out compared to what it's always been. So yeah, makes no sense. Hardest thing I've ever tuned.